Kai and the Magic Birds. Once upon a time, there was a 6-year-old boy named Kai. Suddenly, he organized a picnic with his mum Alina and dad Lorenzo. They were accompanied by Kai's friends, who are 3 magical birds in a place where you could have a picnic on the water. The birds prepared a surprise by transforming the lake into an inflatable slide to entertain the child and his parents. Later, Kai's friends accompanied the family to the bird-shaped chairlifts. Going up high, they then stopped at the shelter. And they ate sweets shaped like magical birds with hot chocolate and raspberries. To get off the mountain, they took the chairlifts shaped like eagles. The end.